Hi, welcome to parental-iphone.com. Today we have an app review. We are a group of parents that want to use iPhones or iPads to help raise kids and to use iPhones or iPads as educational tools. That's why we created video course for parents. If you use iPhones at home and want to know more about safety of your kid and how to use iPhones or iPad as best educational tool, you should definitely check it out. If you would like to know more, please go to parental-iphone.com and subscribe to our newsletter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But let's get back to the app. Today we have PJ Masks Hero Academy, and it's an app that teaches your kid how to be a coder, how to code. It has a very good graphics, very nice music, as you will see in a moment. It's quite easy, and we've seen better apps to teach your kid how to code, but it's a very nice. It has a very nice feeling. So let's hit play. We will
pick a new one.
The sound on. You can see that it has got very nice music. It's very actiony. Let's turn it off for a moment. So let's
Great work.
choose a profile.
Tap a button
Today I
to
will
choose
be
your picture.
Pigeon. Why not? Yes. Pigeon,
Yes.
Great.
How difficult would you like the game to be?
Take a medium difficulty
We
level,
need to do some training first.
and let's check out some training.
That's great. You've unlocked a new level. Let's pick a level to Nice. Into the night to save the day. Welcome to Hero Training. You and PJ Robot will be helping guide our heroes on their adventures. Now, let's see what happens when you tap the play button.
So as you can see, you've got some
Now, let's see what happens when you tap the play button.
arrows that will point your hero to direction and it will execute your
Now,
action
let's see what happens when you tap the play button.
when you hit play. As you can see, the game is always constantly trying to
Tap
push you
this
forward.
button when you want the hero to start moving. That's it. Catboy is on the move. Great work.
Let's go further.
Into the night to save the day. We need to give our heroes commands to help them on their adventure. That's great. Tap this button when you want the hero to start moving. Well done. That's where we want him to jump. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Sometimes we will have to give our hero more than one command.
So as you can see, the app is very beautiful. If your kid is watching PJ Masks right now, I think you can give him this app, and he will be amazed by it, and he will start to learn how to code. And it's very useful in your everyday life on how to think like a coder. So it teaches you logic, and I think it's very important. So I think you should check out this app. It's not very expensive, and it goes on sale from time to time. So let's. I think we should try. As you can see, the level of difficulty is rising. You can see there are a lot of levels. So, and after training, you can go to some very more difficult tasks. I think the best thing about this app is its graphic level. It's very nice. So if you think that these kind of apps or tips are useful, please subscribe to our channel. You can also go to parental-iphone.com and sign up to our newsletter to be informed about new apps and tricks regarding parenting and iPhone. Thank you, and see you in the next one.